Frugal Family Home, where we create quick tutorials to help build your baking and cooking confidence. And today I have a simple and easy breakfast recipe I'm sure you're going to love. It has asparagus and eggs, and you can put cheese on it too if you'd like. It's keto, paleo, and can be made dairy free. So let's get started and I'll show you how easy it is to make. We're going to start by taking the end of the stalks off about an inch up, just like this. Just cut them off, get that woody end off, and we're going to just peel off the outer coating a little ways down here just to make it more tender, and so we can use this end piece here. Just peel it off just like that. Now we have our asparagus all trimmed up very nicely. We're going to go ahead and chop it. Line up the ends and just make them into small slices. Until you get to the tips, and then just leave the tips just like that. So now we have our chopped asparagus ready to go. Now we're going to take our Romano cheese and shred it. You don't have to use cheese in this recipe at all. You could just use the other ingredients, but if you like cheese, then this nice Romano cheese is great. If you can't find Romano, then also using Parmesan is good. We have our eggs. We're going to just scramble them. And now we're ready to cook. To the pan, we're going to add about a tablespoon of bacon fat, or you could use any kind of fat or oil you like. Next, we'll add our chopped asparagus. And we're just going to stir and cook that on medium for a few minutes until the asparagus starts to get tender. Okay, the asparagus is tender now and it's a little browned, and so we're going to move it to the edges of the pan. And then we're going to add our scrambled eggs, or whipped eggs. And now we're going to add some salt and pepper. Then we'll just flip some of this asparagus into the middle and then just lightly push it around just to mix it in. I try not to move it too much so the asparagus kind of gets engulfed into the eggs this way. But we don't want the eggs to burn, so you have to kind of keep them moving and fold them. Just cook until the eggs are no longer really wet or to the desired doneness. We like ours a little bit brown, but I know some people don't like their eggs that way. And these are done. And finally, we're going to add our Romano cheese or Parmesan cheese or whatever cheese you prefer. Our breakfast is done. And that's it. That's how simple this breakfast recipe is that can boost your veggie intake early in the morning. And if you'd like to get the printable recipe, go ahead and look for the link in the description. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I would hope you would consider subscribing and click the bell so you'll know when we have new videos available. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.